In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set calculation settings on Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find these options and how to choose the right setup for your spreadsheet's performance and accuracy. First, head to Google in your web browser. In the top right, click the grid icon, sometimes called the Google Apps Launcher. From the panel that opens, choose Sheets to launch Google Sheets. Once you're in, open the spreadsheet you want to adjust. This can be an existing file or any sheet you already have access to. With your document open, look to the menu bar and click File. In the drop-down, select Settings. This opens the Settings dialog for the current spreadsheet, where you can control how and when your formulas recalculate. In the Settings window, switch to the Calculation section. Here's where the most important choices live. Under Recalculation, you'll see three options. On Change recalculates your formulas only when something in the sheet is edited, which is ideal for most sheets and helps keep things fast. On Change, and every minute adds a timed refresh. Great if you're using time-sensitive functions like now, today, or custom formulas that should update regularly. On Change, and every hour does the same, but less frequently, which can be a good balance if you want periodic updates without too much overhead. As a rule of thumb, more frequent recalculation can use more resources, so pick the lightest option that still fits your needs. You'll also see Iterative calculation. This is for handling circular references, where a formula refers back to its own result. Leave this off unless you intentionally built a model that requires it, such as goal-seek style setups, or running totals that feed back on themselves. If you do turn it on, set the max number of iterations and the threshold. Max iterations is how many times sheets will loop through the calculation before stopping. Threshold is the smallest change between loops that counts as good enough to finish. Smaller thresholds and higher iteration counts can be more accurate, but they also take longer. If you're unsure, start conservatively, test your results, and adjust as needed. When you've made your selections, click Save Settings. Your spreadsheet will immediately use the new calculation behavior. If performance slows after changing these settings, consider stepping down the recalculation frequency or reducing iteration limits. That's it. You now know how to access and configure calculation settings in Google Sheets, so your formulas refresh exactly when and how you want.